Hello guys, good morning to everyone. I will share to you this rose is part of my life. As you can see, it's very nice flower that I love it. But thank you so much for my 3 years of being an OFW. Now is my 12 years of my employer. This is it. She gave me. And thank you so much to my employer. You know what is the name. And I'm so very thankful of him, of the family that I'm working of 12 years. And again, thank you so much and more power. God bless us all. That's it. Have a nice day to each and everyone.